This lab demonstration is about the Hawly Arch, which is an important and a very commonly used labial bow designed by Dr. Hawly in 1920s. Its use on the anterior region as an active or retentive component of the orthodontic removable appliance. If it was used as a retentive component, it's going to increase the retention and the anchorage in the anterior region. Or it can be used as a part of the Hawly retainer, which is used after the completion of the orthodontic appliance, of the orthodontic treatment. If we are going to use it as an active component, there will be three basic uses. First of all, we are going to use to retraction of the proclined anterior teeth if the overjet was less than 6 mm. Or we can slightly decrease the spacing between the anterior teeth if we have a mild spacing between them by slightly retraction, or correction of the incisor rotation by the system of the couple force system in combination with the Z or the recurve Z spring palatally. The gauge of the wire is 0.7 mm hard stainless steel wire. We will start by taking a piece of wire and do rounding of the wire to follow the curvature of the labial surface of the teeth. Okay, this is the position of the labial bow. We do rounding until we see that the wire is following the curvature. It needs more rounding now, so I'm going to do it by using my thumb until it is lightly attaching to the labial surface of the 6 anterior teeth, just like this. This is the labial bow. Vertically, the position of it, as we said, is at the junction between the incisal and the middle 1/3. Now we are going to mark the beginning of the U-loop, which, as we said, it should be at the junction between the mesial and the middle 1/3. This is the mesial 1/3, this is the middle, and this is the distal. So it will be here. This is the starting of our U-loop. We will start by making an upward directed right angle bend, just like this. Okay, this is the U-loop. As we said, it should extend 2 mm away from the apical to the gingival margin of the canine. The width of the U-loop is also about 2 mm. This is the U-loop. Okay, then we are going to do the occlusal part. We'll increase the adaptation of the U-loop. Just like this. I will mark the occlusal part, the contact area between the canine and the premolar, and we will start making the occlusal part. I can make it directly on the cast or by using the plier. And I will do the rounding of the retentive tat to follow the curvature of the palate. And as we said, it ends with an L shape perpendicular on the palate. This is the U-loop, and this is the occlusal part and the retentive part. The same steps are going to be repeated on the other side. So we will start by marking the position of the U-loop. So we will start by marking the beginning of the U-loop, as we said, at the junction between the medial and the middle 1/3. I will make a right angle bend directed upward. Then I will do the straightening of the wire. Okay. Then I will mark the apical part of the U-loop, as we said, 2 mm away from the gingival margin of the canine, just a little bit higher. And I will going to do it with the round peak of the layer by twisting the wire around it, just like this. Okay. A small rounding to follow the curvature of the teeth. Okay. It needs more adaptation. Okay. Then I will mark the contact between the canine and the premolar. You can make it directly on the cast or by using the plier, sorry. And it ends with an L shape perpendicular on the fillet. Okay, so this is the Hawly. This is the labial bow, the U-loops, and the attentive tag. And this is the end of the demo. This is the Hawly Arch. These are the U-loops. Starts from the medial junction between the medial and the middle 1/3, extending upward 2 mm on the labial bow, which is lightly attaching the labial surface of the anterior teeth with the two retentive tags 2 mm away from the mid-palatal line.